Welcome back, everybody. Let's get started on this adorable design. We're going to start here with a chalk pencil and line out what I'm calling some chunky hearts. We're also going to go to the center of the hearts and add 2 loops for the bee wings. Next, I'm going to take some white gesso to base coat the hearts before we paint the yellow, because yellow is a tough color, so we want to make sure that there's a nice base coat to help it be solid and nice and bright. Now I'm going to take this bright yellow and fill in both of our hearts. This is going to take several coats. You can use as many coats as you need to give a proper fill and bright color to your little bumblebees. Next, I'm going to take this Posca paint pen, it's a fine line, to add a couple of little stingers to our bumblebees, and then I'm going to draw the stripes onto the bees, and I'm going to do the stripes sort of curving inward on both bumblebees so that it gives it some shape, and then just going to fill those in with the Posca paint pen. With that same pen, just add a couple eyeballs and little smiles to the bees. Then I'm going to take this Sakura Pigma fine liner pen and outline both of the bumblebees. This is thinner than the Posca paint pen and it bends kind of like a paintbrush, so it's really good for making a nice little fine line around the chubby hearts. This is Dragonfly Glaze in the full spectrum color shift, and I'm going to use this to add to the bumblebee wings to give them that kind of shiny but clear translucent appearance. I'm going to come back with that Sakura Pigma paint pen and just clean up where a little bit of the Dragonfly Glaze got along the outline of the bumblebee, and then I'm also going to outline each one of the wings. This is a white Thule Art acrylic paint pen, and I'm going to use this to add some dotted lines going around in a circle on both sides to give the appearance of their flight to each other. Thanks for stopping by to watch, and I will see you next time.